In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Clash of Clans stuck on loading screen. Let's get started. First, make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Next, go to your Settings app. Navigate to General, click on iPhone Storage, find Clash of Clans, tap on it and select Offload App, then confirm it again. This will free up storage and clear temporary cache without deleting your data. After that, tap Reinstall App and try launching the game again. If the issue still continues, head over to App Store. Search for the app Clash of Clans. If any updates are available, just update it, since outdated versions can cause loading problems. Another quick fix is to restart your iPhone. Just power it off, wait a few seconds and turn it back on, as this can clear minor system glitches. And if nothing works, uninstall the game completely and reinstall it for your first restart, but make sure your progress is linked to Supercell ID or Game Center so you don't lose your data, and that's it. One of these methods should get your game working again. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.